With so many people discovering the power of video marketing, it's becoming more and more challenging to get people to stop and watch your video, especially on social media. For this reason, video creators are realizing that they need to do something more to capture their viewers' attention. And there are several proven strategies out there. One is to add an eye-catching headline. Watch my awesome video. You can also add captions, like this. And with 80% of social videos being watched on mute, this is becoming an absolute must. But unfortunately, adding all of these elements manually can be a huge pain. Plus, it's a pretty expensive task to outsource. And that's exactly why we built Zubtitle. Zubtitle does all the heavy lifting for you. Just upload your video, and Zubtitle will actually detect the speech in your video and convert that to open captions automatically. Plus, it provides an easy video editor, allowing you to add a custom headline, customize your styles, resize your video, and much more. And best of all is our turnaround time. While other services can take hours or even days, Zubtitle gets your video ready for social media in just minutes. Once you're finally satisfied, you can download your transcription files and share your video with the world. It's completely free to sign up for an account, and your first video is on us. So head over to Zubtitle.com and get started today.